Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Alice in Wonderland from English Marigold book of CBSE class 5th. Alice in Wonderland is a big story. From that story, one short part has given in this lesson. Here Alice is a one girl who goes in Wonderland. So let's start to read, understand and enjoy the Alice in Wonderland. One day, Alice was lying under a tree listening to her sister reading a story. Alice's sister was reading a story book and Alice was listening that story book lying under a tree. Suddenly, she saw a white rabbit scamper. Scamper means run quickly. Suddenly she saw a white rabbit was running quickly from there. He had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. He took out a big watch from his waistcoat pocket and as he hurried away he said, "Oh dear, I will be too late." See students, that white rabbit has pink eyes and he was wearing blue coat and he had took out big watch from his waistcoat means one short coat which we can wear on the clothes. He was hurriedly going somewhere and said, "Oh dear, I will be too late." She thought there was something very different about this rabbit. It could talk, it wore a red waistcoat, and it carried a watch. Alice wondered. A talking rabbit, a rabbit who wears a waistcoat. Alice was burning with curiosity and she followed the white rabbit. See students, here Alice was wondered and surprised. How can one rabbit talk and wear waistcoat? Alice was burning with curiosity. He wanted to know, so she followed the white rabbit to know how can he talk and wear waistcoat and carry the watch. The rabbit started running and Alice followed the rabbit. The rabbit suddenly popped down a large rabbit hole. Alice jumped into the rabbit hole too. The rabbit went down, down, and down, and down into the rabbit hole. See, students, Rabbit was running and Alice was also running behind the rabbit, and the rabbit suddenly jumped into a large rabbit hole, and Alice also jumped into the rabbit hole behind the rabbit, and they both went down, down in the rabbit hole. Alice said aloud, "Where am I? How many miles down have I fallen? I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth." She wondered, "Will I slip through the earth to the other side?" See students, Alice followed the rabbit and jumped into the rabbit hole and she shouted, "Where am I? How many miles down I am falling? I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth." And she wondered, "Will I slip through the earth to the other side?" And thum! Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves. She looked around quickly and suddenly saw the white rabbit again. It disappeared, saying, "Oh, my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting." See students, after jumping, Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves. Pile means you can see heap. She looked around quickly and suddenly and saw the white rabbit again. It was disappear, but he was saying, "Oh, my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting." Whiskers means here you can see beard. Alice stood up and saw a small door about 15 inches high. It was too small for her to go through. See students, when Alice stood up, she saw 15 inches high but very small door. It was too small for her to go through it. And after that, she saw a glass table with a golden key on it. She tried the little golden key in the lock, and to her delight, it fitted. Alice opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden she had ever seen. See students, Alice had seen golden key on the table and she tried that golden key in the lock and her delight it fitted. It means she was so happy because Alice opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden she had ever seen. How she longed to be among those beds of bright flowers and those cool fountains, but she could not even get her head through the doorway. See, students, Alice had tried that golden key and she had opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden she had ever seen. But she was unable to go through the doorway. She could not even get her head through the doorway. And she was very eager to go in beds of bright flowers and those cool fountains. And she said, "Oh, how I wish I could become smaller," she exclaimed loudly. See, students, Alice want to go in that loveliest garden, but that door is very small to go in that loveliest garden. So she said, "I wish I could become smaller to go in that loveliest garden." See, students, Alice in Wonderland is a big storybook, and from that storybook, this small story is adapted. And this big story book, Alice in Wonderland, is written by Lewis Carroll. Now, here we can see some new words of this lesson. Scamper. Scamper means run quickly. Then hurriedly. Hurriedly means also do work quickly, fastly. Then pop. Popped means come or go somewhere quickly. Then disappear means unable to see. And last one is whiskers. Whiskers means muche, beard. Now in remaining part of video we will see questions and answers of this lesson. Question number first. While listening to the story, what did Alice see? While listening to the story, Alice suddenly saw a white rabbit which was going somewhere hurriedly. Now see second number question. What was different about the rabbit that Alice saw? The rabbit that Alice saw different from other rabbits because of following features. It was wearing a blue coat and a red waistcoat. Then it was going somewhere hurriedly. It could speak. It had pink eyes and it had a big watch. Now see third number question. Where did the rabbit go? The rabbit entered a deep rabbit hole. Now see fourth number question. How did Alice reach Wonderland? Alice, following the strange rabbit, jumped into the rabbit hole. She had a great fall into the deep rabbit hole. She fell on a heap of dry leaves and thus reached Wonderland. Now we will see question number 5. What strange things did Alice see? The answer is in Wonderland everything was very strange. Alice saw a very small door about 15 inches high. She saw the strange wild rabbit entering the door. It was still saying that it is getting late. Alice further saw a glass table on which a golden key was lying. She opened the lock with the golden key. Now see sixth number question. Describe in your own words the garden that Alice saw. When Alice opened the door, she found a beautiful garden. It was the most beautiful garden that Alice had seen in her life. There were various colored flowers in the garden. The fragrance was very attractive. The garden also had fountains. She wished that she could stay there forever. Now we will see next questions and answers. The rabbit had pink eyes. Who was burning with curiosity? Alice. Who fell down and down and down? The rabbit. Who said, "Oh, my ears and whiskers, late getting"? Who said? The rabbit. The garden Alice saw was loveliest or lovely. Now see next question. Find one word from the story that means to walk fast, hurry, to think, wonder, happy, delight, to be seen nowhere, disappear, at once, quickly, move fast, scamper, and at last, to be inquisitive means curious. Now here you can see some words with their similar and opposite word. Lovely. Similar word is attractive and opposite word is nasty. Talking, chatting is similar word and silent is opposite word. Listening means hearing and opposite word is speaking. See means look at and opposite word is ignore. At last, center. Center means core and opposite word is border. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel to get more videos on NCERT classes. Once again, thanks for watching.